tangent secant constructions. Say first one, suppose radius 5 centimeters given, angle bisector 60 degrees. Okay, now draw one circle that is 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters radius. Okay, again extend 5 centimeters. This 5 centimeter, this 5 centimeter, this total is 10 centimeters. Okay, now here to draw one arc, more than half take and draw one arc. Here to more than half take and draw one arc. So this is the center point. Why? Because if this side 5 only. So this is center point coming. Here to again join circle. Say some members are same like that drawing, but here tangent drawing means here to join this point, joining that point. That is not. So here two circles touching points only. This point to join this. This is tangent. Okay, and here to join tangent. So here to one line draw. This is what radius. That is also 5 centimeters. Okay, so some members only drawn this. So here 5 radius. Suppose this is O, A, P, B take. Verification also do. OAP triangle OAP, angle A. Here what? 90 degrees. Angle A equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because this is point of contact tangent that equal to 90 degrees. This 90 degrees means this is hypotenuse only. So OP square equal to OA square plus OA square equal to AP square plus AB square. Finding AB square and OP square equal to 10 square, OA equal to 5 square plus AB square. So this is 100 minus 25 equal to AB square. So AB square equal to under root of 75. Okay, here value not there, that's why here right like. So this is approx I taken, that's why root value will get. Okay na? Second question. Again here one circle draw, 6 centimeters, radius 6 centimeters. Again draw 6 centimeters, center to away 12 centimeters. This total is 12 centimeters. So no need to draw here 30 degrees and 30 degrees right. Actually 30 degrees points only. Sin 30 1/2 take and draw. So here same value this, no need this one. And one more question, radius equal to 6 centimeters, center away to point 10 centimeters away. So draw one circle here 6 centimeters, this is 6, outside is 4, total is 10 centimeters. So here again join marks draw, again inside coming, here 5 coming, again circle draw. Again draw like this. See here point is inside here. One more point. One more radius equal to 4 centimeters. Center away 10 centimeters. So this is 4 centimeters. Draw one arc. Extend 6. Total is 10. So here. So outside coming. So this is the center. So again like this draw. This is what? Tangents and secant constructions. Okay na? Today practice and come. Next one, graphs.